Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess Minata. In case you're seeing me for the first time, yes, happy December. I know this vlog is going to be going up in December because I've calculated it. So happy new month. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video to watch. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you so much. So today we are going to be visiting Shibuya, but before we go to Shibuya, we're going to go to the market. I want to cook now, so after I finish cooking, then from there we'll go to Shibuya together. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to the market and come back and cook. I'm bringing you guys along because we're supposed to do vlogmas, but I don't think I can do vlogmas from the beginning of 1st of December. No, I can't, but I can start from 15th to 25th. Yeah, I'll try. So I'm bringing you guys along with me to the market. It's going to be a day in my life visit to Shibuya kind of vlog. Yeah, so hope you enjoy. To click on the like button, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you so much. Let's go. This one is 1,000 and this other one is 200. This one is 200 and this one is 1,000. So I'm going for this one because 5 of this. I'll take this. So I'm back from the market. Only went to grab a goosey, beef, and goat meat. Yeah, I have other things at home, so these are just what I need for now. So let the cooking begin.
Go! Everybody! Bring it over here. Everybody come over here. Oh.
I don't know what to style my hair anymore. Hi royalties, good morning. So today is Thursday. Yesterday after I finished eating, I could not go out again. I was so tired. Yeah, but I went to church in the evening. Yeah, because after I finished cooking and eating, it was already 5 p.m. so I checked it. If I should go out, then I won't be able to finish videoing on time and then have the chance to go to church. I'll be so tired, so I just left it. So today is a Thursday. I'm going to school, and after school I'll go to Shibuya. Yeah. So let's go. arrived at my school now. Yeah, so I'm going to class now. So I just finished from classes now and I'm about going to Shibuya. So from here I need to take just one bus and it will take me to Shibuya. Yeah. Arrived Shibuya, that's the famous crossing behind me. Yeah, so we at Shibuya right now, so enjoy the view. Yeah. So they said Shibuya is known for its fashionable things. Yeah, let's see this cute one. How much is it? Wow, 1,000. Wow. just sighted my bus. Let me run to the bus station so I'll meet him. I need to go home. It's getting so cold already. Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.